Installing new windows is an exciting upgrade for any home. Not only can it improve the appearance and energy efficiency of your house, but it can also enhance comfort and security. However, proper preparation is key to ensuring the installation goes smoothly. Whether you're replacing old, worn-out windows or installing new ones for the first time, here are some steps to help you prepare your home for a window installation in Mesa. Clear the area around the windows before the window installation team arrives. Make sure the area around the windows is free of furniture, decor, and other items that could obstruct the work. This includes removing any plants, rugs, or delicate objects from window sills or nearby spaces. The installation crew will need room to move around and ensure they have easy access to the windows. Clearing the area also protects your belongings from dust, debris, or accidental damage during the installation. If you have large furniture near the windows, consider moving it to a different room or at least away from the immediate area of work. This also helps prevent any damage to your furniture and ensures that the installation team can complete the job efficiently. Protect your floors and furniture. Although the window installation process is relatively clean, it can still generate dust and debris. Consider laying down drop cloths or plastic sheeting to protect your floors and furniture from dust or dirt. The installation team will often cover surfaces themselves, but it doesn't hurt to take additional precautions, especially if you have hardwood or carpeted floors. Also, if you have delicate or valuable items near the window area, it's a good idea to move them temporarily to a safe location. This minimizes the risk of anything being accidentally damaged or displaced during the installation process. Plan for temporary disruption. The window installation process can take several hours, depending on the number of windows being replaced. During this time, you may experience some disruptions, such as noise, dust, and limited access to certain areas of your home. It's helpful to plan ahead and make accommodations for these temporary inconveniences. If you work from home, consider setting up in another area of the house or making arrangements to be away for the day. In Mesa's warm climate, it's also important to be mindful of temperature changes. Windows are often removed and replaced one at a time, so you may experience drafts or temperature fluctuations, particularly if you're installing windows during the cooler months. If this is a concern, you may want to keep a portable heater or fan nearby to stay comfortable. Notify the installation team of any specific need. If you have any special requests or concerns about the window installation, such as specific installation times, particular window styles, or any existing issues with your windows or home, make sure to discuss them with the installation team beforehand. Providing this information up front will allow the team to better prepare and address your needs, ensuring a smoother process. Additionally, if you live in a neighborhood with specific regulations, like WA rules, it's wise to verify that your window installation complies with any local guidelines. This will prevent any surprises or setbacks during the installation. Ensure easy access for the installation team. Your window installation team will need access to the exterior of your home, so be sure to clear any obstructions outside, such as overgrown plants, patio furniture, or debris. If your windows are on a second story or hard to reach, check that the installation team has safe and clear access to ladders or scaffolding. For homes with tight driveways, you might want to ensure there's enough space for the installation vehicle to park and unload materials. If you have security concerns or pets, be sure to inform the installers ahead of time. Most installers will work around your home's security features and take the necessary precautions to maintain safety. Additionally, if you have pets, consider keeping them in a safe room away from the work area to reduce their stress and prevent them from wandering into the workspace. Expect a clean-up once the installation is complete. Your installation team will clean up the work area, removing debris and disposing of old windows. However, it's always a good idea to check that everything has been properly cleaned and that no leftover materials or dust remain in your home. If any issues arise during or after installation, contact your window installer right away to ensure they are addressed. Preparing your home for window installation in Mesa doesn't have to be overwhelming. By clearing the space, protecting your belongings, and communicating with your installation team, you can ensure a smooth and efficient process. Taking these simple steps will help you enjoy your new windows without any unnecessary stress.